The concentration curl is an exercise for developing the biceps muscles in the front of your upper arms. For this exercise, you'll need one hand weight or dumbbell and a bench, box, or sturdy chair. See the description below for recommended equipment. Begin seated on your bench and take your feet apart. Take the weight in one hand and lower that arm down in front of the inner thigh of the same side leg. Stop when your elbow is resting against your thigh. Now place your other hand on your other side thigh for support. Keep your chest pushed forward and shoulders down away from your ears throughout this exercise. To begin, bend the elbow of the weighted arm to bring the weight up towards your chest, stopping just in front of your chest. Then return back to the starting position, controlling the movement all the way back down. Make sure to keep your body still and avoid swinging the weight to lift it up, and instead control the entire movement from start to finish. Up and back down is 1 repetition on one side. Continue for the recommended number of repetitions on one side, and then switch to the other arm. Perform the same number of repetitions on both sides. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more trainer tips and exercise tutorials.